Ever wondered how HubSpot knows so much about your meeting activity? It's like they have a little spy in your calendar, right? Well, not exactly. It's actually a combination of clever integrations and tracking features that HubSpot uses to give you valuable insights into your sales process and meeting effectiveness. In this video, we're going to pull back the curtain and explore exactly how HubSpot meeting tracking works. Think about it, you schedule a meeting through HubSpot, you send out the link, and then magic? Not quite. There's a lot happening behind the scenes. It all starts with the meeting link itself. When you create a meeting link in HubSpot, whether it's through the meetings tool, a workflow, or even a sequence, that link is tagged with unique identifiers. These identifiers are the key to HubSpot's tracking capabilities. They allow HubSpot to connect the dots between the meeting, the contact, and any related deals or other records in your CRM. Now, let's break down the different ways HubSpot tracks meeting activity. The most basic level of tracking is simply knowing that a meeting occurred. When someone clicks on your meeting link and books a time slot, HubSpot registers that as a meeting booked. This information is then associated with the contact who booked the meeting. This is crucial for understanding your meeting volume and identifying which contacts are engaging with your sales team. But it goes much deeper than just knowing a meeting was booked. HubSpot also tracks meeting attendance. If you're using the HubSpot Meetings tool and have integrated it with your calendar, HubSpot can often detect whether the meeting actually took place. This is usually done by checking the status of the meeting in your calendar. If the meeting is marked as attended or completed, HubSpot will record that information. This is incredibly valuable because it helps you distinguish between meetings that were booked but never happened and meetings that actually took place. Beyond attendance, HubSpot can track even more granular details, especially if you're using some of the more advanced features. For example, if you're using the HubSpot Sales Hub Professional or Enterprise, you can use meeting snippets and record calls directly within HubSpot. When you record a call, that recording is attached to the contact record and the associated meeting. This allows you to review past conversations, analyze the content of your sales calls, and identify areas for improvement. You can even transcribe these calls and use HubSpot's AI to analyze the sentiment and keywords used in the conversation. Another powerful aspect of HubSpot meeting tracking is its integration with other HubSpot tools. For instance, if you're using HubSpot workflows, you can trigger automated actions based on meeting activity. For example, you could set up a workflow to send a follow-up email after a meeting is marked as attended, or you could trigger an internal notification to your sales team when a prospect books a demo. This automation saves you time and ensures that no leads slip through the cracks. Furthermore, HubSpot's reporting features allow you to analyze your meeting data and gain valuable insights into your sales process. You can create reports to track metrics like meeting conversion rates, average deal size for meetings booked, and the effectiveness of different meeting types. This data can help you identify bottlenecks in your sales process and optimize your meeting strategy for better results. Now, let's talk about the specific data points that HubSpot tracks. This includes things like the date and time of the meeting, the duration of the meeting, the names of the attendees, and any notes or attachments associated with the meeting. All of this information is stored within HubSpot and can be accessed through the contact record, the deal record, or through HubSpot's reporting tools. It's important to understand that HubSpot's tracking capabilities rely on the proper setup and integration of the HubSpot tools. For example, if you're not using the HubSpot Meetings tool, or if your calendar isn't properly synced with HubSpot, you might not be able to track meeting attendance as accurately. Similarly, if you're not using the call recording feature, you won't be able to track the content of your sales calls. So, how does HubSpot know all this? It's a combination of the unique identifiers in the meeting links, the integrations with your calendar and other tools, and the tracking features built into the HubSpot platform. It's not magic, it's smart technology designed to give you a comprehensive view of your meeting activity and help you improve your sales performance. One common question people ask is about privacy. It's important to be transparent with your contacts about how you're tracking their meeting activity. HubSpot itself is GDPR compliant and offers features to help you manage data privacy. It's always a good idea to include information about your data privacy practices in your communications with prospects. Another thing to keep in mind is that the level of tracking detail can vary depending on your HubSpot subscription. Some features, like call recording and AI-powered analysis, are only available in the higher tier plans. However, even the basic HubSpot CRM offers robust meeting tracking capabilities that can be incredibly valuable for any business. By understanding how HubSpot meeting tracking works, you can leverage its power to improve your sales process, personalize your communications, and ultimately close more deals. It's a powerful tool that can give you a significant competitive advantage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.